passion for cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make a tasty recipe which is very common in South India, Poori Masala. My kids love it. It's perfect for dinner or breakfast. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. Take 5 to 6 medium potatoes. I like to use red potatoes. Wash them and cut them into small pieces. I'm going to pressure bake the potatoes. In a 2-liter pressure cooker, add 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm using olive oil today. And 1/2 cup of water. Let the oil spread evenly. Into that, add the cut potatoes along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover it, put the pressure plate on and cook over high heat. It is going to be ready in 6 to 7 minutes. Don't wait for the whistles to go off. It has been 7 minutes. Now turn the heat off and release the pressure immediately, just like this. Open the lid. It's cooked well. Now let's start making the masala potatoes. I'm going to slice 1.5 medium-sized red onion, half a chopped tomato. Since this is a big tomato, I'm using just 1/2. Otherwise, use a whole small tomato. 2 green chilies, according to your taste. A small piece of ginger root. Chop it, say about 1 teaspoon. Slice 7 to 8 garlic cloves. I'm using 3 colors of bell peppers: orange, yellow and red. Just 1 tablespoon of each. The skins off, but I'm not peeling all of them because potato skins are good for you. Use this water too. I won't discard it. In a big frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil over high heat. Once the oil is hot, add 1/8 teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait till it splits. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and 1 stem of curry leaves. Reduce the heat to medium and add sliced onions along with green chilies and salt to taste. Adding salt makes onion cooks faster. Fry it till the onion turns golden brown. Add sliced garlic and chopped ginger. Add chopped tomato and bell peppers and mix it well. Into that, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and give it a good mix. Add potatoes and mash it with a spatula a little bit. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Into that, add 1/3 cup of green peas. I'm using frozen sweet peas. If you're using fresh peas, cook them before you add. Cover it and cook on medium-low until they are well combined. Mix Looks like it's ready. Finally, garnish it with 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro and mix it well. Turn the stove off. The masala is ready. Let's prepare the puri now. Cover it and set it aside. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of organic unbleached cane sugar. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Into that, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it well. Use your hand to get rid of the lumps. Make a well in the center and add 1/2 cup of warm water. First I'm adding 1/2 cup of water. Mix it well. Now add water a little at a time and make a dough. Knead the dough until it is soft, say about 5 to 10 minutes. For 2 cups of flour, I used only 3/4 cup of water. It is important to knead the dough as well as you can so that the gluten is formed. Take a wet paper towel or cloth and cover it and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Divide the dough into small balls. You should use your hands or a rolling pin to lightly flatten each ball and then drench it with flour on both sides. Don't expect these balls to come out perfectly round. That's okay. They'll still taste delicious and you'll get the hang of it as you perfect your skills. Lay them on a sheet. My little one is good at making puris and chapatis. Whenever I make them, he comes and gives me a hand. In a deep frying pan, add enough oil to deep fry the puris over high heat. Put a small piece of dough in the oil. If it comes up immediately, the oil is ready to use. Add each one very carefully and fry, gently pressing down with your spatula. Turn it over when it's fluffed up and golden brown like a pillow. Take it out and leave it on a paper towel to drain and serve it immediately with the yummy potato masala. Do the rest. enjoy it with your favorite potato masala. Follow this recipe and you'll definitely get a high five from your family. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share recipes, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.